Good afternoon everyone, dear students. In this video we continue the part of chemical properties of alcohol. It's a very important reaction, dehydrogenation reaction. Dehydrogenation stands for removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. Yes, how to remove the hydrogen from an alcohol. Yes, we have three concepts here. One is a primary alcohol is react with a copper metal. Reacts with copper metal at 573 Kelvin temperature. When primary alcohol is heated at 573 with copper, which helps to remove the hydrogen gas removed. So what it means to remove of this hydrogen, yes, now it left behind is RCH. Yes, RC double bond OH we call is an aldehyde. An aldehyde. I repeat, when primary alcohol is heated with copper to form an aldehyde, the removal of hydrogen is known as dehydrogenation reaction. We consider an example, CH3CH2OH is an ethyl alcohol. Is strongly heated here at same copper at 573 Kelvin. Same to removal of hydrogen. The removal of hydrogen, what it remains is CH3 and C double bond OH, the two carbon, we call it an ethanol or acetaldehyde. Conversion of ethyl alcohol to the ethanol, commonly ethanol to the ethanol. So many times this ask these questions, how to convert OL to AL. Yesterday we know AL to OL, today we have an OL to AL. So ethyl alcohol undergoes dehydrogenation to form ethanol. We consider with primary. Yes, so what happens with secondary? Now we consider in secondary alcohol RCH. This is your OH and R. We know the secondary. The OH is attached carbon containing only one hydrogen is a secondary alcohol. When secondary alcohol undergoes heated with the same copper at 573 Kelvin. 573 Kelvin, in this book ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 300 degrees, both are the same, 300 degrees Celsius or either 573 Kelvin, both are the same terms. Okay friends, when secondary alcohol is heated with copper to formation of the compound is a ketone, formation of a ketone to removal of this hydrogen. Removal of this hydrogen, the formation of the product, we call it is an. So consider an example, is a CH3, COH. This is your CH. I think IPSNA we have to know. This is a 2-propanol. 2-propanol. Yes, this is your compound. So common name we have isopropyl. Isopropyl alcohol is undergoes dehydrogenation with same catalyst to release of hydrogen. This is a removal of hydrogen. Yes, the removal of this hydrogen. Now the formation of the compound CH3, C double bond O CH3. Already we know the name. This is acetone or dimethyl ketone. Another name of this compound 2-propanol. Yes, today we have a primary and secondary. Primary alcohol undergoes dehydrogenation to form aldehyde. Secondary alcohol undergoes dehydrogenation to form. Yes, other ಇವತ್ತಿನ target ಏನು? Yes, how to form aldehyde and ketone from the corresponding alcohols. Primary ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ aldehyde ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ರಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ಗಳು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ರಿ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕೀಟೋನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಚಿಂತೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಸರ್ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಟರ್ಷರಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಏನೇನೋ ಗೆಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹುಡುಗರು. ಎಸ್ in a tertiary. Now I have a very important reaction in a tertiary alcohol. This is very important. What happens when a tertiary alcohol, see CH3, CH3, CH3. I have direct example as a tertiary alcohol. Yes, the name of this compound, tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol undergoes copper at 573 Kelvin. Same copper at 573 Kelvin. But keep in your mind, friends, this reaction does not undergo dehydrogenation. This reaction undergoes dehydration. This reaction undergoes dehydration. It means removal of water. Yes, keep in your mind. And this tertiary butyl alcohol undergoes heated at this temperature. This OH group, along with this OH group, we can remove the one hydrogen. This is an CH. Water is removed. What it remains? The CH2 group it remains. This is CH3 as it is. This is a carbon, and this is as it is CH3. And what it remains? This is your CH2. Balance the valency means to form an alkenes. So name of this compound 1, 2, 3, 2-methyl propene. 2-methyl propene. It means it's important reaction. Tertiary alcohol gives us to the alkenes. This gives us to the alkene. In this video, you keep in your mind, friends, we have considered 3 alcohols: primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary gives aldehydes, secondary gives ketone, tertiary gives alkene. So this is a very, very, very important. You keep in your mind. Yes, I repeat in this part, primary alcohol gives aldehyde, secondary alcohol gives ketone, and tertiary alcohol gives us alkenes. Very important. Alkene, aldehyde is a C double bond O or CHO. Directly write this is a CHO. This is a C double bond O. This is a C double bond C. This is an alkenes will be formed. This is our target today. Yes, reaction with copper metal. There are 2 reactions: primary, secondary dehydrogenation. In tertiary, dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water. Yes, this is your reaction with copper metal. Keep in your mind. Okay, thank you. We continue the next one.